The world is blurred through a soggy lens, droplets sliding like old-time friends. Windows hum a soft stormy tune, gray skies mourn until afternoon. Cozy rain falls in a steady trance, puddle reflections make